All charges will go to court for the newlywed couple accused in the stabbing death of a Port Trevorton man. 19-year-old Miranda Barbour and 22-year-old Elliot Barbour both had separate preliminary hearings Friday in Northumberland County Court.
We have to show that a crime was committed and that these are the likely persons that committed the crime. We met that burden. The case will now be filed at Northumberland County Court and proceed from there.
The Barbours are charged in the death of 42-year-old Troy LaFerrara November 11th in Sunbury. LaFerrara's wife Colleen led his family into the courthouse for both hearings.
Thank you.
An autopsy showed LaFerrara's cause of death to be multiple stab wounds and possible strangulation. In police documents, Miranda Barbour admitted to meeting LaFerrara on Craigslist and meeting him at the Susquehanna Valley Mall. Elliot Barbour says he was in the back seat of the vehicle under a blanket while they drove to Sunbury. Miranda Barbour began to stab LaFerrara while Elliot Barbour held a cord around the man's neck. They then dumped his body in Sunbury, took his wallet, and fled the scene.
The death penalty notice, if there is a death penalty sought, has to be filed at the time the information is filed. We will review the case to determine if there are aggravating circumstances present. If we find that there's sufficient evidence of aggravating circumstances, we will file a notice for the death penalty.
Roads were blocked off and there was increased security at the courthouse Friday due to the nature of the crime and the nationwide publicity it has gained. Northumberland County District Attorney Tony Rosini says this will likely take a year to get to trial, though there will be pre-trial motions. He adds that the Commonwealth would like to try the Barbours together. Sarah Bartlett, WKOK.com.